In this video, I'll show you how to fix Logitech G Hub not opening in Windows 11. So the first thing that you can do if your Logitech G Hub isn't opening on Windows 11 is to restart your PC. A simple reboot can resolve temporary issues. So to do that, click on that Windows Start menu, click on that power button, and click on that restart button. Another thing that you can do is to end Logitech processes. To do that, go ahead and search for Task Manager on your Windows search menu and then look for Logitech G Hub processes. Once you've found that, go ahead and click on that and click on that End Task button at the bottom right of this pop-up. Another thing that you can do to resolve this issue is to restart LG Hub service. Open the Start menu, type Services, and find LG Hub Updater service and restart. The fourth thing that you can do to resolve this issue is to modify installation. Instead of uninstalling, go to Apps Features, find Logitech G Hub, and select Modify to reinstall while keeping settings. Go ahead and look for the App section on your settings, and in here, go ahead and head over into the Apps and Features section. So in here, go ahead and search for Logitech G Hub. Click on that specific application and click on that Modify to reinstall while keeping settings. And the last option that you have to resolve this issue is to reinstall Logitech G Hub. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the latest version from Logitech's official website. And that's basically how you can fix Logitech G Hub not opening in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.